Hello students, this is a tutorial on how to complete the economics article assignment. The directions are as follows. Your task is to locate, read, analyze, summarize, and react to an economically related news article, news broadcast, or speech. Once you have found an article, you will need to do three things. You will need to summarize, relate, and react to what you have read. And if you scroll down a little bit farther here, you can see exactly what you need to include in paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. Now, before you start writing those paragraphs, first you have to find the article, news broadcast, or speech that you would like to talk about. So to do that, I do have helpful resources located here. You can search newspapers, you can do a general web search, you can look through magazines, or you can use a television or YouTube broadcast. Now with that in mind, I'm going to show you one of my favorite resources. So I'm going to open up a new search tab here. I'm going to put in economic related articles. And once I do that, you can see here that there are numerous websites that appear. The most favorite ones usually have to do with the New York Times because this website is updated on a regular basis and new articles are usually added every week. So you can either click on the New York Times business section or the economics section. Just for the purpose of today, I'm going to click on the economics section. So you can then see that numerous articles appear that are up to date about different economic situations, terms, and things like that. So once you choose an article, you're going to head back to the assignment. Make sure to copy and paste the link, news broadcast, speech, whatever it may be, here. And then you're going to write the 3-paragraph response. One more thing I want to point out is there is a glossary of economic definitions towards the bottom of the assignment that will help you include some of the terms you're going to see within the articles or as you're reading through different material. With that being said, that goes through the economics article assignment. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.